Today on The Brief, we've been looking at data wrong. We all say that data backup is critically important to us, but then we hand it off to junior staffers. We ignore business requirements. We don't focus enough on restoring data in case something happens. Worse, the landscape is changing fast. The explosion in cloud solutions and remote work makes backup a lot more complex these days. IT keeps up by adding piecemeal capabilities, but there's no real strategy, with some systems overprotected and others left dangerously exposed. Someday, maybe soon, this will come back to bite us. Promise me one thing. Please stop using the term data backup. Let's call it data protection instead, because backup is just a task. Data protection is an outcome. Let's also stop trying to fit it into the same ROI equation that we use to justify every other IT project. That's not how any of this should work. Without a robust data protection strategy, you're exposed. What's it worth to you to avoid having all your operations go dark? You don't really ever want to find that out, so let's stop trying to apply this outdated logic to a mission-critical competency. You need this. Full stop. We've published a blueprint called Establish an Effective Data Protection Plan to help you change the conversation and your roadmap. It can help you classify your data to ensure you're not wasting resources protecting information you don't need. It can help you quantify what your data is worth and then explain that to the business in terms they don't just understand, but are also excited about. It can help you link data protection to organizational requirements and reframe it as a strategic driver of competitiveness. This isn't just nice to have. Now more than ever, we all need to up our data protection game. That's food for thought.